Alright fellas, in this video we are going to see how you can install the SynthEyes right inside the After Effects. As you can see, this is the official website, which is borisfx.com. I will share the link in the description. You can directly navigate to borisfx SynthEyes. Once you're right inside, you need to go to the products and you need to find the SynthEyes. As you can see, this is the SynthEyes. You need to click on this. Once you do so, you will be navigated directly to the SynthEyes page where you can click on download free trial, and once you are done you will see the hub installer for the SynthEyes that you can use to directly install the Boris FX products right inside your PC. So as you can see, this is currently downloading the Boris FX hub installer. So once it is done, you need to click on this. Once you're right inside, you need to extract all these files from this folder. For that, you need to click on extract all and you need to specify the path where you want to extract all these files. So you need to click on browse. For now, I'm gonna extract it on the desktop. I will click on desktop and I will click on select folder and click on extract. So as you can see, this is the Boris FX hub installer SynthEyes for the After Effects that is extracted from the compressed folder. And right now I'm gonna double click on this. You may need to grant all permissions if required, and once you're done, you will see the Boris FX hub. Do you want to install the Boris FX hub? You need to click on yes. Alright fellas, so once you're done downloading and installing the Boris FX Hub, you will see this interface, and once you're right inside, we are only concerned with the SynthEyes. As you can see, this is right inside the Boris FX Hub installer. So you need to click on this arrow. Once you're right inside, you can click on buy now if you want to purchase this product, and right now we are gonna only consider with the trial version, so I will click on install. Once you click on install, it will download and install the official SynthEyes standalone from the Boris FX hub installer. Once you're done, you will see the success message and it will say that SynthEyes has been successfully installed right inside the After Effects. So you need to click on continue, and once you're done, you need to go to the search bar of your Windows and you need to search for After Effects. You will see the After Effects versions whatever you have in your PC, and you need to click on this. Alright fellas, so once you're right inside the After Effects, you need to create a new composition first of all, and you can go with the default settings and click on OK. Once you're right inside, you need to go to the edit, go to the preferences and navigate to scripting and expressions. Once you're right inside, make sure allow scripts to write files and access network. This is marked as tick unless your SynthEyes will not work properly. So you need to click on OK. Next, you need to go to the file, you need to go to the project settings and make sure you select Mercury GPU acceleration. It can be OpenCL or CUDA. It depends upon your system specifications, but we need GPU acceleration. So once you're done, click on OK. Next, you need to go to the window and make sure the effects and presets is marked as ticked or marked as checked. Once I click it, you will see the effects and presets in the right panel of the After Effects. So for that, you can go to the project and you can double click on this area. For example, I have imported this media. This is the MP4 file. I will drag it into my composition, and once the composition has been created, you need to go to the effects and presets and you need to search for SynthEyes. As you can see, we have a Boris FX SynthEyes advanced distortion and the image mapper. So let us go with the image mapper, and I will click it, I will grab it and I will drop it into my composition. You can also double click on the plugins, or you can double click and drag it into the composition so that it will be directly imported into the composition to apply the effects. So as you can see, I can apply the SynthEyes right inside the After Effects to my media and it is working perfectly. So this is how you can install the Boris FX SynthEyes right inside the After Effects. So I hope you like this video. If you have any questions, you can comment down below. I will try my best to respond to you as soon as possible if you have any questions. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day.